Without much ado, let us all welcome our President, the most eligible bachelor in town, the one who will make our dreams into a reality, President Percy Pers Salamer.
Pinangalandaan ni Rotarian Eldrin, the most eligible. Ang dami pa dito, Rotarian Eldrin, lalo na sa dream makers na eligible. Also sa RCU, marami. Anyway, District Governor Alex Curek, Assistant Governor Ed, our very own hardworking Assistant Governor, our past Assistant Governor, Angel Gaol, Governor Basie Bacoro, past District Governor Dan Espinosa, District Governor nominee Dulce Quilipiat, other district officers, past presidents, the Dreammaker presidents. Alang gutom pa rin Of course, my guest, Attorney Larry Patsyag from the Legal Department of the Philippine Charities Association. My brother, Agustin Salameras, in a table. Guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome aboard.
Good evening.
Sa RCU district tayo. 3 years ago, I can say that my idea and knowledge about Rotary is exclusively limited to the Rotary Wheel logo and the signage of the four-way test. And just like any other regular person who had seen the said logo and signage, I have no slightest idea about its meaning or even the story behind it. In fact, when I was invited by Rotarian Elvin Berrido and Vic Manlapas, together with past President J.P.A. Han Santos, to attend one of the regular meetings of Rotary Club of University District, I readily agreed with the thought that it is just an extension of our drinking session. Knowing the friends who invited me, malalakas ako kasing minom. Little did I know that it is the start of my becoming a Rotarian. After the said initial meeting, I observed that being a Rotarian is a serious endeavor and a personal commitment. Several meetings had passed and I was personally convinced that maybe, just maybe, I can contribute something to the organization. This conviction was further strengthened when I personally know each and every member of the Rotary Club of University District. And I thought, it is not all about drinking session after all. As I observed the members, they were all serious in their cause, which is to render service to others under the mandate of the Rotary International. Later on, I learned that fellowship is an integral part of Rotary. When Paul Harris and his buddies founded Rotary, again, it is not all about drinking after all. Fast forward today, I never thought that I will stand here before you tonight as a proud Rotarian, privileged and humbled to be chosen as the President of Rotary Club of University District for Rotary year 2008-2009. With this year's theme, Make Dreams Real for the World Children, it is a challenge posed by Rotary International President Ram Parni throughout the world. Believe, fellow Rotarians, that we can make a difference to our children. And I am very grateful to all members of RCUD because we have already undertaken several projects to address the need of our children. We have just concluded our EyeSERT project, which is an acronym for I'm Saving Eyesight, Restoring Vision, which aims to detect and correct at the earliest opportunity the eyesight problem of a child, and is one of the signature projects of RCUD. We have also initiated feeding program for 45 malnourished children of Malaya Elementary School, which started last July 29, 2008, and the same is still ongoing until those 45 children will reach their healthy states. For the coming months, other projects on literacy, health, and environment will be conducted by RCUD for the benefit primarily of the needy and deprived children. All the above mentioned projects would not have been materialized and successful if not for the all-out support and cooperation of all RCUD members and friends alike who believe in this undertaking. Certainly, the Rotary Club of University District believes in the cause of Rotary International in investing in our youth, since our country and the world will be theirs to lead in the future, with the hope that they will lead and take good care of our country and the heart and the world with the heart and conviction of a Rotarian. To all RCUD members, I am thankful and grateful for the enthusiasm and unselfish contribution in all our projects that we have done so far for this Rotary year. I know that your unwavering support to the club will remain and continue for the years to come, whoever is seated as president. Likewise, I am also thankful and grateful for all friends and individual people who have served one way or another to the cause of RCUD and Rotary International. Also, to the Dreammakers, sabay-sabay tayong pagwagian ang ating taon ng Rotary at maging matagumpay. I appeal to all of you not to get tired of sharing your talent, time, and resources, because by doing so, you are making a legacy, not only for yourself, but to those every person you have touched and reached. Let us continue helping others and open up opportunities to make dreams real, especially for the children. With that, I join in saying that the most beautiful thing to see is a person smiling. And even more beautiful is knowing that you are the reason behind it. So let us continue to bring smile to as many persons as we can and make this world a better and safer place to live in. Thank you very much and good evening.